Welcome to Mathzip. We are starting part 3, and also we can say this is the end part of exercise 1.1 arithmetic with integers, unit 1 integers, powers and roots of Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics course book. What? Course book 8. So let's get started. We are starting from number 12 and the math will be finished in number 16. Let's start. Number 12. Here is a multiplication table. 3 answers have already been filled in. So which one already filled? Look, here is -1 times -3. It will be 3. Very simple, right? -1 times -3. So minus and minus, once we multiply, it will become plus. 1 times 3, it will be 3. It's a very simple thing. Next, 1 times -2, it will be -2. Very simple. Another one, 3 times 2, it will be 6. Okay, so first I have to fill up this one, then we will back again. Here mention copy the table and complete it. We should complete this one. Then we will mark, like color all the 0 answers in one color. For example, green. What about this one? If you multiply anything, it will multiply by 0. Any number, if you multiply by 0, you will get 0. Like 5 times 0, it will be 0. 0 times 10, it will be 0. So for example, here is mentioned color all the 0 answer in one color, for example green. Okay, so first we omit all the coloring here and find out which one becomes 0. First we can start this one, and it should be green color. So 0 times 3, it will be 0. This one is 0, this one is 0, this one is 0, because 0 times 0 is absolutely 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, and what next? Here is also 0. So 0 times 3, it should be 0. Here is 0, here is 0, here is 0, 0 and 0. So our first part done. But till we are not complete, but we will complete one by one. Number C, color all the positive answer in a second color, like blue color. So we can write like, where is our blue color, or we can mention any other color. So first we have to complete this one, like 3 times 3, it's a -9. 3 times 2, 3 times -2, so here is -6. 3 times -1, it should be -3. And here is 3, because 3 times 1 is a 3, and 3 times 9, 3 times 3 is a 9. Okay, then 2 times -3, it means -6. Here is -4, here is -2, because here all the things are minus in first row. And here another part, 1 to 3 all are positive, 2 is a positive, so we can write 2, 4 and 6. Here 1 times this portion is minus, so it should become minus because 1 is positive. So 1 times -3, it will be -3. Here is -2 already mentioned. -1 times 1, it will be -1. And here is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next minus, and -1 times -3 is a 3. -1 times -2, it should be +2. -1 times -1, it's a +1. So here is -1, -2 and -3, because these are -1 and here all the things are positive. So negative times positive, it will become negative, right? So here is +6, +4, +2, right? and here is -2, -4 and -6, right? What next? Here is -3, -3, it will be +9, here +6, +3, and here -3, -6 and -9. So copy the table and complete it. It's done. Now we will mark. So first one is green, which already done, which is 0. Now color all the positive answer in second color, for example blue. So let's say we can mark this one. Is it clear? Yes, it's clear. Let's say we have any other number. I think this is more clear. So positive will be blue color. So which one is positive? Look, this portion is positive and this portion is positive, right? And color all the negative answer in third color, for example red. So by red color we can feel this is negative and this is negative. It's a good practice. If you make practice like this way, you have possibility to make wrong 0%, right? So keep hard working at home. So number 12 done. Number 13, these are multiplication pyramids. Each number is the product of the two in the row below it. Copy each pyramid, fill in the missing numbers. Very interesting. Look, here is already given an answer which is 2 times -3. It means -6. So similar, -3 times -2. So minus and minus, once you multiply it will become plus. 3 times 2 is a 6, and -6 times +6 it will be -36. Same thing, -4 and here is 5. So once we multiply it will become -20. 5 times -1 it will be -5. So minus and minus, once we multiply, plus 20 times 5 it will be 100. What about in here? Here already given answer 48 and here is -12. Look, it means -12 times, here is a blank and answer will be 48. If you know the family fact, it's a very simple. It means 48 divide -12. So what will be the result? 48 by 12 is a 4 and here is a negative sign. So result will be -4. So it's a very simple thing, -4 and -12. Once we multiply we will get +48, right? So now what about here is -12 and -3. So here should be only 4 because 3 times 4 is a 12 and 3 already negative, so here is -12. What about in here? Here should be -1 because 4 times 1 is a 4 and -1 it will become -4. Very simple. 64 and here is -16. So 64, once we divide 16 it will become 4, right? And here already -16, so here should be -4. So here is -4. So -4 times -16 it will be +64, right? Here is -2, so -2 times 2 it will be -4 and here is -8. 2 times 8 is a 16, -8 it means -16. Very simple. So in here, if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, right? It's very important and you should face these types of question at examination hall. So number 12 and 13 done. We are in part 3, right? We are in part 3. Part 1, 2 we already finished, and you will get that links in the description box. And this video we should finish exercise 1.1 because till we have 3 math. So let's start again. Number 14a. Look, what integers will replace the symbol to make the multiplication correct? Here is a circle. Okay, here is a circle. It's a number a, and we multiply with triangle, and here we should place some number. After multiplication, result will be minus 12. So look, it should be minus 12. So what is that numbers? Here it's a best way to find out the factors of 12. How? Look, 12 we can write 1 times 12, right? Then 2 times 6, and then 3 times 4. Okay, so our result is minus 12. So this case we can write 1 times minus 12, it will be minus 12. 2 minus 1 times 12, it will also minus 12. Number 3, 2 and 6, 2 times minus 6, it will be minus 12. Number 4, minus 2 times only 6, it means positive 6, it will also become minus 12. And number 5, look, 3 times minus 4, it will become minus 12. And number 6, minus 3 times 4, it will become minus 12. So what integer will replace the symbols to make multiplication to correct? These are results. So 6 types of numbers or 6 types of relation we will get this minus 12. So sometime in circle 1 and triangle minus 12, right? So one by one finally we get this 6 part. So number 14 done. Work out this. It's a very simple thing. 5 times 3 is a 15, so negative 3, so result will be negative 15. Again 5 and plus minus means it will become minus, so 5 minus 3, result is 2. Next minus 4, and here minus and minus, it will become plus, and here is 4, negative 4 plus 5, result will be positive 1. Negative 60 divide negative 10, so first minus divide minus, it will become plus. 60 divide 10, it will be 6, so our result is 6. Minus 2 plus 18, it will be plus 16. Minus 10 minus 4 minus 14. Very simple.